Alright, so remember how I told you to zoom. If you want to zoom, you take this like that, okay?
Zoom.
So focus on him and check him out. How cool is that, huh?
Tiny oreille.
Yeah. Oh, no. Don't stop it. Don't stop it. We're gonna
Zoom.
No. Okay, zoom. Zoom. Okay. Okay, take the thing. Go. There you go. Okay.
That's that.
That's that, huh?
No.
No, go.
Okay.
Go. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Ooh. Okay, so.
You must that.
Yeah. Show me on the zoom out and get a nice frame. This is the frame. Okay, hold on. Okay. You want to go right in? Okay, this is your movie. Ooh. All right. So what did we say? We're gonna play a game, right?
Yeah.
Look, he's over there. He's back over there. It's the same one, but the other guy that was here.
Where?
The other guy that was here.
What?
Here. Take a shot of the
What?
of the bowl. Take a shot of the bowl over there.
Up.
No. Stay right there. Yeah, move.
A
shot of the bowl with the camera. Yeah, look. That's a shot of the bowl.
No, it looks like just a...
You're gonna give him some? Yeah. There you go.
Hey, monsieur, quoi? Il y a des hooploops là.
Il y a des quoi?
Des hooploops.
Des hooploops.
En anglais, ça s'appelle des hooploops. Oui.
Hooploops?
C'est pas birdseed.
C'est pas birdseed, hein?
Alors ça, c'est birdseed. Mais en anglais, c'est hooploops.
Hooploops.
Hey, monsieur, regarde. Viens me dire hooploops, il y a des gens.
All right, you ready to go? I think we're done for today.
No.
No? You want to film these guys a little bit more?
Oui. Papa.
Yeah, man.
Good catch. Good catch. Essaye de monter là.
Monte où?
Là.
Oh, he's gonna run away.
Quoi?
He's gonna run away. As soon as you approach it, he's gonna run away. Like, remember last time you went over there? Did he stick around? Did he stick around? I don't think he stuck around.
Va arracher les feuilles.
Okay, so I think we're done. You want to say goodbye to the folks?
No.
Say goodbye to the folks. We're making a video, you know, and then we're going to edit it together after.
C'est quoi les folks?
The folks are the people that are going to be watching this stuff. Whoever is going to watch. Who's going to watch this stuff? You're going to watch it? Okay. You see, you scared him away. You scared him away. Shall we?
No.
Well, I told you, if you approach it, he's gonna get scared. And that's exactly what happened. You got closer, and he ran off.
On va voir la vidéo.
Okay, so say goodbye. Oh, let's do. Hold on here. What does that say? What does that say?
Je sais pas.
No, you know exactly what that says. Look. What does that say?
Je peux pas voir.
Look. What is the first letter?
Deux.
No.
T.
R.
R.
E. A. R. Okay, say with me. A. R. E. T.
T.
You know what that says? It says arrête.
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 Arrête, s'il vous plaît. Try my?
Oui.
Okay.
Je veux voir la vidéo.
Okay. Oh, regarde, le monsieur, il est là. He's coming back. You see? Look, he's coming back. Okay, we're gonna close with this, okay? Regarde.
No.
Ta-dum, ta-dum, ta-dum. dun, 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 dun. Attends, oui, regarde le. Okay, we're gonna give him an intro song, like the thing, pink squirrel. It's the pink squirrel. Okay? Look. Dun, 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 dun.
Fini.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Good catch.
Good catch.
See you later.
Alors,